My name is Sarah Webster. My school is Rockwell Elementary. My teacher is Mrs. Rice, and I'm in the second grade. My project is going to be on winter lima beans. Question: what amount of water will grow the largest indoor lima beans? Hypothesis: I think the plant given the most water will grow the largest beans and leaves at the end of 6 weeks. Background: lima beans are a good thing to plant for new people to growing plants. The life cycle of a lima bean is quick and easy. Lima beans are an excellent plant to grow because lima beans are in superfood. Lima beans are a good source of fiber, protein, vitamin B1, magnesium, and iron. Lima beans help regulate blood sugar levels too. Lima beans are toxic when raw, so they must be cooked before eating. You can make a fabulous hummus out of lima beans and many other things too. Variables. Independent variable: the different water amounts given to each plant. Dependent variable: the growth of the leaves and seeds when given different water amounts. Controlled variable: planters with holes in the bottom and a plate under each plant. Home temperature was set at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Artificial light was set on a timer for 12 hours a day. Planted 3 lima beans in each container, 2 centimeters down in the soil. Each seed was planted 6 centimeters apart from each other. Each planter had 2 cups of soil. Materials: 5 planters with holes in the bottom, 5 plates, 15 David garden beans, lima beans, Miracle Grow indoor potting soil, LED grow light for indoor plants, light timer, measuring cup, and water. Methods/procedure: 3 lima beans were placed in each of the 5 containers. Each seed was planted 3 centimeters down in the soil and 6 centimeters apart. Plants were put under artificial light for 12 hours a day using a timer for 6 weeks. Temperature was constant 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 0 millimeters, 50 millimeters, 100 millimeters, 150 millimeters, and 200 millimeters of water to the different planters. Mark each plant with the amount of water they would receive every other day. Here's a picture of my plants. Kind of dark though, so that's okay though. Yeah. Discussion: Plant 1 received no water and had no growth. Plant 2 received 50 millimeters of water. The leaves are 5 centimeters wide and the bean size is 1 centimeter. Plant 3 received 100 millimeters of water. The leaves are 7.5 centimeters wide and the bean size is 1.5 centimeters. Plant 4 received 150 millimeters of water. The leaves are 4 centimeters wide. The bean size is 1 centimeter. Plant 5 received 200 millimeters of water. The leaves are 2.5 centimeters wide and the bean size is 1 centimeter. Plant 3 received 100 millimeters of water every other day and had the largest leaves and biggest bean size in the 6th week. This is the biggest one we had, and it was this about 6 weeks ago. Conclusions: my hypothesis was wrong because the plant that received the most water has a smaller leaves and a smaller bean size. More water doesn't always mean bigger plants. My conclusion is the plant that got 100 millimeters of water every other day had the most growth. The leaves and the bean size were the largest of the 5 plants in the 6-week period. Little bean right there. I could have made the experiment better if I planted them longer than 6 weeks. If I started earlier, I would have seen how the plants would turn out after many months. I could have watered them daily or weekly with the same amount of water to see if they would make a difference also. And then these are the sites I used. You can copy it if you want to. And then a special thanks to Fort Atkinson Regional, I think, Science Fair for having the science fair online. I didn't really have science at school this year, so I had a lot of fun doing this project. One more really special thanks to my mom for helping me do the science fair. Thank you all so much for putting this together. I love you all. Goodbye.